What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. So I still haven't unveiled what I did to the truck from the last time you guys actually seen the truck, so I can't show you the truck, so you're stuck looking at my beautiful face. But nonetheless, in today's video we got an absolute banger. Me and Sandy, we probably went on like a 4, 5, 6 hour mission, going to every Walmart, every outdoor adventure store, anything that we could find to buy some more stuff for this upcoming trip that's probably gonna be like 4 or 5 days outdoors camping. This video is gonna be a lot of fun. It's a lot of like raw, just me and Sandy hanging out. It seems like you guys really like these type of videos, so if you do and you're interested, leave a like, leave a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. So this is a touchy subject for Sandy. What do you think?
It's actually so cute.
It is. I actually really like it, but I'm gonna have to do some more research. As you guys know, camping is like I'm new to the whole thing, so I don't know how well I trust myself with propane.
How do you get the fire going?
Propane.
Oh, no. It holds the same, babe.
7
it's a different
gallons?
shape, yeah. Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Wait, does it fit on there?
I think so. Will it fit?
No. As you guys know, we had some trouble with our water usage last time just because it was very close to the truck and we couldn't actually make it work. This is what Sandy is doing right now. So this is a tent. Yeah, she wants a tent that we could fit standing in. Alright, what do you think about this one? Because this one has wheels. Ooh. This is nice. So I really like this one already right off the bat just because of how much space it actually has. The amount of space that it holds inside. Plus it has a little cap to get rid of all the water. I remember when I first was making videos and people were like, oh, which Tacoma should you get? Long bed, short bed. Now that I'm into this whole camping phase, definitely a long bed would be good if you're not into like extreme articulation and like super small trails. But if you're just into like camping, 6-foot bed. So this is the type of stuff I'm talking about. Like, you see this? All of this extra bulk doesn't give you a lot of space inside of here. Sandy said cooler isn't the priority. She was saying somewhere to sleep is a priority, which now that I say it out loud makes sense. So Sandy wants to get into kayaking, but I can't find any. I think these are kayaks, but we can't find any 2-seater ones. We'll look later. We keep getting distracted. This one is sick though. Look how big it is. Sheesh.
Babe, look.
Oh god.
Boom.
So I can't record inside the store just because of how loud the music was. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that we found. We found a fan, 2 fans. I didn't know which one to buy, which one thought was better. So in the comment section, let us know down below, or if you have a recommendation, definitely let me know. Also, we found some tents for like 6 to 8 to 10 people. It's just me and Sandy, so we don't need that big a tent. So all in all, it was a fail. It was a failed attempt, but still got one more store. We got Walmart. Walmart, you guys bash Walmart quite a bit in the comment section, but it seems to be all reliable. So we're gonna try it out. Also, Sandy is against the soft topper. I have been this close to order one. She doesn't want to because she says we won't fit inside the bed. And I'm about to find out if we fit inside the bed.
It's no way I'm sleeping in there.
Why not? Guys, we might get a soft topper.
No, I'm getting a tent. How about you sleep in here with the soft topper and I sleep in the tent?
So we can't get a soft topper.
We can get a soft topper, we're just not gonna sleep in here.
I'm placing the order tonight. We just did that in the mall parking lot.
How much does a soft topper cost?
Why do you want to know?
Because if you're considering buying it, I just want to know.
It's $55.
That's not bad. It's $550, isn't it?
No, it's $55.
You're lying.
No, I'm serious. It's $55.
Let me see. Show me.
Well, what
from where? From where?
From Amazon.
That is such a lie.
No, I swear. It's $55.
Oh, then just get it, babe. We could probably sell this for
Oh yeah, we can sell this for like 150, 100.
And then you'd only spend 400 on the soft topper?
No, I only spend 800 on it.
No.
It's $55 a month. Zero interest, babe. So we already found a better cooler for a better price. $23. Not too bad. For 4 to 5 days of camping, this will probably do as good, and I think even moving forward. The only thing I don't like about this is it doesn't have wheels, so we're gonna keep looking. but this is probably the one. Look at that. Can you go stand like a little bit close to it? I'm thinking Sandy fits in there.
What we can do, babe, what are you wanting to have wheels for?
Can you carry this to the beach?
No, we can keep the other one and carry that one to the beach and just have this one permanently as a truck.
You know how you have to be manly? Both coolers are extremely heavy.
I can hear you. What did you say?
Nothing. Whoa, look at the tires on that one. This Walmart has definitely failed the tent task because there's not many tents. We actually ordered one online. We got it somehow at a huge discount. It's usually like $90, but we picked it up for how much?
45.
45 big ones. And I used some of my Amazon points to get rid of it, so we really got it for like 13 bucks. Now we need a fan, and then we need a mattress. We were gonna get like a foam mattress, but Sandy and I agree that it's probably gonna start stinking after like the second trip. Sandy doesn't want me to buy this. Just wait till the trip and we need it, probably to hack down a tree or a flower, but either way, Sandy said no. You want a dehumidifier? Okay, she was actually interested. Alright, so that Walmart didn't have anything, so I told Sandy, baby, look, find another Walmart. So she said, okay, there's another Walmart in this different city. Here, let's go here. This is a leasing center for apartments. To be fair, I was quizzing her and talking to her about Untamed. If you guys don't know, he's on the road to 20K by September, so if we just get my subscribers to subscribe to him, it'll get him a lot closer. So go subscribe to Untamed Motors. He's an absolute beast. Anyways, I was telling her like how he bought this new Toyota Tundra and how we were looking at a Toyota Tundra, the exact same one, well, the exact same truck with a little bit more miles, while she was trying to look up this other Walmart. So I guess it was my fault because I was kind of putting too much on her plate. You know, turning it in, I was like, this is weird. This is weird.
you were like, babe, where did you bring us? Oh, it's court, and where we're going is road. But they're both Burt Commons.
I was like, is it Black Friday out here or something? What do you have to say for yourself?
I don't even know, dude.
Pretty close parking. 2-person inflatable raft. But it looks like there's like someone maybe your size and then someone half your size.
Yeah, that's me and that's you.
I am offended.
But, babe, weight capacity 353 pounds. What's 110 plus 150? What's 110 plus 150? What? Are you laughing because I said I'm 110? You ain't right.
But why'd you look at me like that?
Because you know I'm not 110, but like... Okay, fine. 115. 115 plus 180? No. 170? 160.
Yeah, I'm like 160.
Okay, what's 160 plus 110?
Babe, it's less than 350, babe.
It is? Alright, there's just no reason. Look, it comes. It comes with a pump and the paddles.
We have a pump. Alright, leave it there. Let's not carry it around. I doubt
Well, there's one left.
There's 3. What about this? Salt, paprika.
Curry, cayenne, garlic salt, black pepper, salt. Could you not read?
Not at the rate you were turning it, no. You want to get walkie-talkies?
For what?
Just in case, like, you go to the bathroom?
You can't just come with me?
I did get a cut when we went camping and I didn't have anything.
So pack stuff.
We have stuff at home?
We have Band-Aids.
Alrighty, so the video kind of ends here. It ends a little abruptly, I'm not gonna lie, but we have some stuff. So this is the cooler we ended up purchasing. It's an absolute beast. It's pretty big. I like how much space it has. Sandy thinks we're still gonna carry the other one, plus this one. Again, I'm the one carrying these. They get extremely heavy. My arms, they're not the biggest. We got this mattress, and then we got that one like kayak. She's calling it a kayak. She really wants to go kayaking, but I don't know how I feel about that after. But I don't know how I feel about it after she tried to hit me with a kayak stick thing. See, this is why we shouldn't. It's a kayak stick. I don't know what it's actually called. A paddle? It's a paddle. But nonetheless, if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. We got a lot of Tacoma videos planned, a lot of Tacoma videos coming up. We also just hit 10,000 miles, so if you're interested in my 10,000 mile review, that is coming up very, very soon. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out here liking out. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Mayo. Peace.